I'm Max.
I'm Alex, and we have been working on making a replacement thermostat system for our house. And in lieu of bringing the central heating unit down here, we've attached a LED onto the board, which would act as the relay would, in that the relay would just turn on the heater by sending it at 20 volts. So this blue LED signals that the heater is on right now. And what is going on up here, these are the three nodes that we've got, which are these boards, which would be one in each room. And they each individually measure a temperature and relay it back to the board that's connected to the computer here, which if you look in here, you can see the block of the four temperatures, which is these nodes, including the base, which is connected to the computer. And it's hot because it's got a higher voltage than the other three boards do. And then you can see these two numbers here, which, oh, it's incorrectly labeled, but the one labeled AVG is the lowest temperature out of the three, or out of the four nodes, and then the set is what the heater is currently set to. So if you look at it right now, it's set to 71.9, and the lowest temperature is 70.7, so the heater is on. And I'm going to try and heat up these chips. I don't know which one I'm touching right now. If you notice, the top one's not going up. And the heater's off because the lowest temperature is now at 72.5, and it's set to 71.9. And we can adjust the temperature of the heater by, there's a little button on here. This is going to be the part that's hard to see. But if I press down the button, the red LED will come on, and that indicates the temperature's gone up. And it'll go up by about 2-degree increments. And if I hold it, it'll cycle down. And then again, it'll go down by about 2-degree increments. And if you can see, the LED has come back on, and it should go off, yeah. And now it's back off. And if you look here, the temperature is now set to 68 degrees, and the average is still up at 72. So.
It'll also be connected to a WRT54G router through serial. The router has a web page, and that will update what temperature it's at and what temperature it's set. We can also do a CGI website, so you can change the temperature from remotely, and that will also give it power, so it will be connected to the computer, it will be connected to that, and it'll all be the same voltage doing.
Great, thanks guys.